Let me tell you this. Everything you've been striving for, peace, purpose, love, fulfillment, it's not something you have to earn, chase, or discover somewhere out there. The truth is simple yet profound. It's already within you. But here's the key. Realizing this truth isn't about adding more to yourself. It's about peeling away everything that's been placed upon you by society, experiences, and self-imposed limitations. Now stay with me. I want you to realize something that might change your life. The version of you that feels whole, free, and limitless isn't hiding. It's simply buried beneath layers of fear, doubt, and conditioning. Let me show you how to uncover it. Most of us are caught in a constant state of searching. We say to ourselves, if I could just achieve this, earn that, or find the perfect person, then I'd be complete. But here's the answer to this. That belief is the illusion. The more you chase, the further away it feels. Why? Because you're searching for something that's already with you. It's like looking for your glasses when they're sitting on your head. Rumi, the mystic poet, once said, "You wander from room to room hunting for the diamond necklace that is already around your neck." This isn't poetry, it's truth. Every answer you seek is already encoded within you. Your work isn't to find it. Your work is to remove the blocks keeping you from seeing it. Here's what I want you to understand. The life you're living right now is not random. It's a reflection of your consciousness, your beliefs, and the energy you project. As Neville Goddard, a visionary of imagination and manifestation, taught, change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Think about that. Your external reality is an expression of your inner state. If you believe you're unworthy, the world mirrors that back to you in missed opportunities and strained relationships. But if you begin to align your beliefs with worthiness, abundance, and love, everything external begins to shift. Your power lies not in controlling the world, but in mastering your mind. When you shift your internal dialogue, the external world follows like a shadow. Write this down. What I focus on expands. What I believe creates. Let this become your mantra. The outside world is merely an echo of the stories you tell yourself. Change the story, and you'll change the outcome. Let me give you the secret. You don't need more. What you need is less. Less fear, less comparison, less attachment to what others think of you. Think about this. How much of your identity is shaped by things that aren't even yours? Expectations, societal norms, or even fears passed down from others. Every limitation you carry was learned. Were you told you're not smart enough, strong enough, or worthy enough? That's a story someone handed to you. But here's what I want you to know. You have the power to rewrite that story. Start asking yourself, whose voice is this? Is this belief mine, or was it handed to me? The only limitations that exist are the ones you choose to believe. Letting go isn't losing, it's reclaiming your truth. Imagine yourself as a radiant light. That's who you are at your core. Over time, experiences, opinions, and fears place layers over that light. But these layers are not you, they're what you've accumulated. Your job is to peel them back. Neville Goddard also said, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. When you begin to see yourself as the person you want to be, you're not pretending, you're aligning. The moment you step into that belief, the universe begins to conspire in your favor. Why? Because you're no longer at war with yourself. When you remove what's not you, what remains is your true self, your highest self. The self that isn't burdened by fear, self-doubt, or limitation. The self that knows it is worthy, capable, and whole. This is your power. When you harness this, you're no longer a victim of circumstances. You're a creator, shaping your reality from the inside out. Here's where you start. Find a quiet moment and ask yourself, what belief is holding me back the most? Sit with that question. When the answer comes, don't judge it, acknowledge it, and then let it go. Write down what you want to believe instead and repeat it daily. Align your actions with that belief and watch as your reality begins to shift. Speak to yourself with love. Say, I am whole, I am worthy, I am enough. Not because you're trying to become those things, but because you already are. Let me leave you with this. Life isn't about becoming someone new. It's about remembering who you've always been. You have the power to change everything, not by chasing, but by aligning. The peace you seek is in letting go of what isn't you. The love you long for is waiting for you to see yourself as you truly are. So stop searching, stop doubting, turn inward, peel back the layers. Everything you've ever needed was there all along. It's time to reclaim it. It's time to be it. And the world, it will follow your lead.